Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Robinhood. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February 2025, our system has ranked Robinhood as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 15.84%. This results in an average loss of 0.99% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $36.29 is breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 12.69% over the upcoming 3 months, with returns potentially ranging between negative 2.68% and 82.14%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 108.86%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 80.46% to 238.65% over the next year. In current terms, this forecasts a future price somewhere between $75.83 and $142.30. Our latest daily update for Robinhood features the headline, "Volatile Ride for Robinhood Stock Price on Monday, moving between $38.96 and $42.91. The Robinhood stock price gained 7.08% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, rising from $39.24 to $42.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.14%, with a low of $38.96 and a high of $42.91. Over this period, prices have been quite variable, resulting in a loss of 10.39% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day, accompanying the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 46 million shares were exchanged, totaling approximately $1.91 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $66.08, while the lowest was $13.98. Currently, the price is 36.41%, or $24.06, below the 52-week high, and 50.56%, or $42.98, below the all-time high recorded on the 4th of August, 2021, when the price peaked at $85. Robinhood Markets, or Hood, has recently launched a predictions markets hub just in time for March Madness. This new platform for event contracts may enhance user engagement and broaden its revenue base. This strategic move aligns with the company's previous successful ventures and could positively influence short-term stock performance as excitement builds around the tournament. However, Robinhood is also facing significant headwinds. An investigation has been initiated regarding possible violations of federal securities laws, coinciding with a recent FINRA ruling that imposed hefty fines totaling $29,750,000 against the company for failing to address misconduct red flags. Such legal scrutiny could foster negative sentiment among investors, potentially driving stock prices down in the short term. Longer-term implications could hinge on how effectively Robinhood addresses these regulatory challenges and capitalizes on new market opportunities. With its trading metrics showing healthy growth, particularly in cryptocurrency and options, if Robinhood can navigate through these issues while maintaining its growth trajectory, it might restore investor confidence and stabilize its market position. Ultimately, the interplay between these opportunities and challenges will dictate Hood's stock performance in the coming months, reflecting the tech-driven finance industry's volatility and the company's need for sustained innovation amid recent setbacks. Analyst ratings on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, Deutsche Bank assigned Hood a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Hood as overweight with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, UBS awarded Hood an outperform grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, Raymond James gave Hood a market perform grade alongside an initialize action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, Barclays rated Hood as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 18%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may influence the near-term development. The Robinhood stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average conveys a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, resulting in a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $49.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $38.94. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 6 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 42 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 124 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $38.92 and $36.36. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Robinhood finds support just below today's level at $38.92. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $36.36 and $35.63. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.95 between its high and low, representing a change of 10.14%. During the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in companies with long-standing performance or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 36 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $44.42. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Robinhood encounters its first support level at $38.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 5th of March 2025, Pinner Jeffrey Tzvi executed an insider sell of 5,853 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of March 2025, Quirk Stephen M. carried out an insider sell of 14,279 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of March 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. conducted an insider sell of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of March 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. executed an insider buy of 119,839 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of March 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. also conducted an insider sell of 57,883 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 33.741. Overall, insiders purchased 5,901,525 shares and sold 12,094,519 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Robinhood exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we expect Robinhood to open lower by approximately 72 cents, beginning at a price of $41.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.